Hi, this is Otto. Today I painted a Seagull outboard engine. This type of engine is a small engine that goes on the back of a boat, and we used to call them putt-putts when we grew up because bigger boats or speed boats had big engines, and these boats just moved along little dinghies at a snail's pace. Now they have races with specialized boats that seem to go a bit faster. So I hope you enjoy seeing how I did this, and it was a tricky painting to do because of the different odd shapes like the engine, the main engine part, the gas tank, and the propeller were the main parts that you could see. Thanks for watching. Bye.